Hi, I'm Ayush and I'm the co-founder of Twelvefold, an AI startup studio where we build companies leveraging MLOps and foundation models. One of our portfolio companies, Sensius, is an AI observability platform that helps monitor and explain machine learning models in production. As part of the Machine Learning Week, we'll discuss key gaps in AI-led manufacturing systems and the inability to explain why behind AI decisions that can lead to unplanned outages and low production efficiencies. We'll also talk about how foundation models in computer vision and natural language processing have opened the doors for limitless possibilities and how to best leverage the capabilities of generative design in fault detection and process management to maintain scalable yet reliable AI solutions while achieving significant ROI from manufacturing operations. I look forward to seeing you in Vegas. Bye.